Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you all are fine. Today I am here to talk about menu engineering. I guess you all know about menu engineering. This video is especially made for those who are into beginning stage, who just joined this industry, who just started pursuing hotel management, or who doesn't know about menu engineering, how menu design and all. So guys, let's understand. First of all, we have to learn what is the menu, what the menu means. So menu is a list of items which we prepare and sell in our premises, at your restaurant, at your hotel, or anywhere you work, anywhere in food industry. You need to have a menu, right? That menu should be well designed. Okay, now it is advisable to go for virtual menu, go for digital menu despite going for printing because of pandemic. We all know the situation. But before making the menu, we should be aware about the art of menu engineering. It's not like that we just take out some dishes and we list out, we pick some price randomly and launch the menu. No, that way you can't scale your business, you can't take your business up, isn't it? It's a illiterate process, just taking few items and their price randomly and list out and present to the customers. No. So to make a good menu, to design a well perfect structure menu, you need to learn the art of menu engineering. Menu engineering is nothing but it's a study of profitable or profitability and performance of those items which you wanted to place in your menu, because that two factors will influence to your customers, influence to your business. End of the day, our main priority is to bring business, to make our company more profitable, isn't it? So why menu engineering is important? There are few factors. Like, if we wanted to make good menu, we need to know that whether the item, the dishes which we wanted to add into the menu, is it good? The price, what we are deciding, is it worth? The portioning, what we are assuming, is it equal to price? Will that portioning bring our expected food cost? So these all factors are undercovered by menu engineering. Guys, suppose we have a menu, we have 50 items in our menu, and that menu is running since last 2 years. Now we plan to change the menu. How we can change? How we will come to know which item we have to remove, which item we have to add? That we can learn through menu engineering, through our billing softwares. If we have a good software, from there we can export the previous data and we can calculate the moving and non-moving items. There are other factors which I will let you know in my next video. But just to make you understand that menu engineering play a really vital role. So guys, here we can understand, like suppose we plan to add maybe butter chicken, then through menu engineering we can learn the previous portioning and the present portioning. We can learn the price, what price we should keep to bring down the food cost. Suppose if you know that your food cost should be below 30%, then you need to learn the art of menu engineering to bring your food cost as expected, as you want. So guys, I understood that you knew what I mean to say. Because this is a very small video, capture, I can't elaborate, but definitely I'll come back in the next video with more about menu engineering, and I will elaborate various factors, which factors you have to keep in your mind while making menu. Alright guys, so thanks for now, thank you, bye bye, stay tuned.